Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of my series where I build a voice agent end-to-end, including the deployment, without cutting any of the video whatsoever. The reason for this is I want to show you guys how fast it is to actually create a production-ready voice agent without needing to create all those tools for it. In last episode, we did a voice agent that had an email summary attached to it. Today we'll do appointment booking. So there are two ways to actually do appointment booking. The first way is through directly integrating with a cal.com or a Google Calendar, for example, and then the AI can have access to that calendar. It can check the slots as well as then book directly into that calendar. The other way is through doing a booking link. So what the AI can actually do as well is directly send the caller an SMS with that specific booking link. Then the caller can go on that link and book a time that suits them. And so we will do the latter today. So I've got a law firm here. I'll just use as a random example. Let's go and create from business. Let's move my face. Put that in. Take a few seconds. If it decides to take its time today. Alright, beautiful. The voice does not matter. And let's generate. So this is the only part of the video where I'll actually speed it up, just because I don't want you guys to have to watch this generate for the next minute or two. And I'm going to put my hands in the air just because I've been accused of editing the video and working on the agent in the back end when this is generating. So I'm going to put my hands up here so you guys can see that I'm not doing anything. Right, and we are back. So the agent's been generated here. Let's go firstly attach it to a phone number. It's called, what is it called? Burn City. Go refresh. It's not generated yet. Burn City. Let's press save. Beautiful. I'm also going to change the language on it just because I like Grok. I like the audio a bit better. And let's go save. Here is sort of where there are two ways you can actually put the booking link in. So first is just here. I'll just change default flow first. The attached number. Alright, so you can actually just toggle this on and just put in your booking link. So I'm just going to paste my Google Calendar link in here. Press save, and then that's it. The other way you can actually do it is you can go back into your call flows. And you can edit this in. So when I toggle this on, this actually got added in, but you can also just add it in through here as a tool. So after that, now that booking link has been edited in, the booking link will only send based on these intake questions. So I'm just going to remove you just because I don't want to have to go through all these questions. Let's update this. And now let's connect it to the phone. So I'm with Optus in Australia. So let's just search Optus and let's scan this QR code. Beautiful. And now let's make a call to me. So the reason for this is because we don't want AI to answer all the calls straight up. We want the human to be able to get an option to answer the call as well. So it'll ring for about 10 seconds and then the AI will pick it up. So let's make a call. Alright, let's answer it.
Thank you for calling Burn City Legal. How can I help you today?
Hey, how's it going?
Going all right, thanks. What can I do for you?
Could I just book an appointment with you guys, please?
Sure, happy to help with that. Are you seeking assistance with a criminal charge, a traffic offense, or an urgent bail application?
Urgent bail application.
Got it. I can text you a link so you can pick a time that works. Want me to send that?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Just send it over. Anything else I can help with today?
That's all right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so in that second, you can now see that it just sent me that booking link. I'll blur out everything else because it's my personal messages, but you can go on this booking link. And the caller, in this case me, can go onto this booking link and book an appointment. So in that space of time, I was able to do an appointment booking agent all within that 5 minutes. including the scraping, and you can sort of see how fast we were able to do that with production ready. So yeah, that's it for this episode, guys, and I'll see you guys next one. Thank you. See ya.